Hi guys, I'm here to kind of walk you through your Nearpod lesson. So I sent out a message earlier today just kind of talking about as you go into your social studies to make sure you're going to the text and finding the answers. And I'm just going to display what that looks like on Nearpod. So I'm going to enter in my code at nearpod.com. And I'm going to go ahead and enter in the lesson. Taking a little bit of time here. I'm going to just put tests in here but you would put your name. I'm going to go ahead and join in. So this just tells me what I'm working on, day 6, coming to America. I'm going to hit the blue tab to go ahead and go on. This tells me what standard I'm working toward. So my next page here logs me in to Safari Montage, and here I'm watching a quick little video about I just hit play and I play it. So I'm going to exit out because I'm going to pretend I've already watched it, and I'm going to move on to the next slide. From here, this is our passage that we're reading. So if I click down here, I've recorded reading this so that way if you're a student or children, you can just listen to it, or if you prefer to read it on your own. I'm going to go ahead and skip that part, and here we have our quiz, which is essentially what we're looking at. So the first question is up here. It says, where did most people settle in the early 1700s? So up here, you can see that it has the little Adobe. I can go ahead and click on this, and it's going to access my text here for me. Okay, so unfortunately, it looks like I'm going to go back and forth here, but I want 1700s. So I go here, and 1700s, they could be all heard in the streets of New York. So when I look here, they all settled near the ports. So I'm going to go ahead and select on ports and go to next. What happened during the middle of the 1800s? Well, I already have this tab open, so I'm going to go back, and I find here the 1800s. They did the Western movement. They moved towards the Midwest and the Great Lakes. So I go back. Free land was given to the Midwest. Yep, I read about that. Nope. So I'm going to click on this one and go to the next. Same thing. Where did most immigrants? I'm going to go ahead, go check here. I'm going to randomly select an answer. I'm going to go next. And again, I'm going to read it, go back into my text, and then choose an answer. Now, when I submit, it sends it right to me, to the teacher. Highlight in the text where it describes what it was like for immigrants. So I'm going to close this little blue tab here, which hides my directions. And I'm going to choose my highlighting tool. And I'm going to go into the text, and I'm going to highlight here where it says, okay, once your student is done, they can go ahead and submit. And again, it gets sent to me, and we're done. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your teacher.